running?
No.
They have the standard hotel. Very nice. Got the courtyard view. Think of the room.
Very good.
Nice. So I want to see what's in the backpack. In the pack, boy. Hamburg Das Event. Alright. Next. Tissues.
Oh. Tissues.
Then we have two things of. Oh, we have a chick one too.
Oh, nice.
We have
So does that mean this is
Rexona.
for me?
These ones are delicious. These ones are so good. They're €3 actually at a normal shop, yeah. And it's a peanut caramel.
From Ja.
Okay. What is this? A misfortune cookie. Oh, it's a fortune cookie with a bad message on it.
Me it says emotion is in your future.
And then we have Vitamin Well water with caffeine, vitamin B6, B12 and vitamin C.
Fish-shaped pocket knife.
I like it, yeah.
And das Teil ist der hier.
Oh, really?
Dann herzlich willkommen hier mit Liebe Zeit hier. Was hast du dir vorgenommen?
Here, I watched me do my drawstring.
Mit Christopher, der ist so gut Sponsor sagt, na gut, da bezahle ich Geld und der Rest ist mir wurscht. Sie sind aber sehr verankert mit der Haspa. Wie sieht das aus?